Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer customer lists to HubSpot CRM from Shopify. Full guide step by step clearly. To transfer customer lists from Shopify to HubSpot CRM, start by logging into your Shopify account. Navigate to the Customers section on the left sidebar. Once there, you will see a list of all your customers. To export these customers, click on the Export button located at the top of the page. A pop-up window will appear, allowing you to choose the format for your export. Select all customers if you want to transfer the entire list. For more specific selections, you can opt for Current Page, All Customers, or Selected Customers. Make sure to choose CSV for Excel, Numbers, or others. After making your selection, click the Export Customers button to download the CSV file. Once the file is downloaded, head over to your HubSpot account. In HubSpot, navigate to the Contacts section on the main dashboard. Select Import from the drop-down menu under Contacts. Click on Start an Import on the next screen. You will then be prompted to choose the type of data you are importing. Select File from Computer and click Next. Now, upload the CSV file you downloaded from Shopify. Click Next again to proceed with the import process. HubSpot will automatically recognize the columns in your CSV file. Carefully review the automatic mapping of your columns to HubSpot properties. Make any necessary adjustments to ensure data aligns correctly. After confirming the mappings are accurate, click Next to proceed. You can choose to add your imported contacts to a specific list if desired. Finish the import process by clicking the Import button. Once the import is complete, you will receive a notification confirming the status. Finally, check your contacts in HubSpot to ensure all customer data has been imported correctly. This completes the process of transferring customer lists from Shopify to HubSpot CRM. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.